Hi, boys and girls. So we have been working really hard on adding multiples of 10 to a two-digit number. So multiple of 10 is where we have more than one 10. So we're going to practice more today. And I'm going to show you how we're going to use the break apart or the decomposing strategy to figure out our number sentences. And even though you may know the pattern, I really want you to practice using that strategy because if you notice today, we're going to be just adding a multiple of 10. So all of the numbers that we add are going to have that 0 in the one spot. But there's going to be times when there's a different digit in that spot, and it really will help us to use that break apart strategy. So even though you can count on by tens, maybe some of you are even doing that in your head mentally. You need to be able to show me that you know how to use that break apart or decomposing strategy. So watch me. Okay. So we're going to start with 45 plus 40. I'm always going to just break apart the number that has a digit other than 0 in the one spot. So I'm going to do 45 because if I were to break apart 40, all right, there's 0 ones and then there's 4 tens, which is 40. So it's just the same number. Okay, so 45, there's 5 ones, and there's 4 tens, which is 40. And it also might help me to use my hundreds chart if I want to. I also like to, when I'm counting, because I'm going to be adding 40 and 40. And I know that 40 is 4 tens, so I can kind of 10, 20, 30, 40. So count with me, ready? I'm going to keep 40 in my head. So 40, and I'm going to count 10, 4 more 10. So 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then I have to add my 5 down here, 85. I can use my hundreds chart to check my work and just notice that our answers should be the same. So 45 plus 40. So here's 45. And I'm adding 40, which is 10 4 tens. So I can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 85. 85, it's the same. All right, good job. Let's do this next one together. 36 plus 50. I'm going to break apart 36 because there's a 6 in the ones and it's not 0. So 50 would be 50. So I'm going to break apart the 36. There's 6 ones and 3 tens, which is 30. Remember, I'm doing the value of the digit. And then now I can add 30 and 50. And again, it helps me to put in those tens. So I know that 30 is 3 tens. So I can count with me, ready? 50, 60, 70, 80, plus 6, 86. If I wanted to check my hundreds chart, I could do that. 36, and I'm going to count on to 50. So 36, and I'm going to count 50, and I know each jump is 10. So I can say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 86. It's the same. Okay, so here's 20 plus 68. Now the 20 is first, but I'm noticing that there's a 0 in the ones place, and I don't really want to break that one up because it's going to just be the same. So I want to break up 68. So it doesn't matter which of the add-ins you break apart or which order it's in, if it's the first one or the second one, but try practicing using and breaking up the one that has the a digit different than 0. So 68, there's 8 ones and 6 tens, which I know is 60. And then I can add my tens first. I'm going to say, okay, 60 plus 20. And I know that 20 is 2 tens, so 10, 20. So count with me, ready? 60, 70, 80, 8, and my 8 ones. 88. And I can check with my hundreds chart if I want to be sure. So 68. So 68, and then 20, 10, 20, 88. It's the same. All right, we're going to do one more together, and then you're going to be working on the rest of the problems on your own today. That's going to be your job. So the last one we're going to do is 17 plus 70. I'm not going to break apart 70 because it's already, there's a 0 in that one spot. It's going to be the same number. So I'm going to break apart 17 into my tens and ones. So there's 7 ones and 1 10. 1 10 is 10. And I also might help myself just to kind of make a 10, like a little 10 rod to help me when I'm counting. So I'm going to start with 70, 70, 80, and then my ones, 7, 87. And if I wanted to just double check in my hundreds chart, I can see, okay, I had 17 and I added 70. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 87. Okay, so your job, your friends today, is to finish these number sentences. I really want to see your work, so I want to see you breaking apart these numbers. So we're going to be breaking apart the numbers that have a digit other than 0 in the hundreds, in the 10, in the one spot. So you're going to be breaking apart 52, 43, 56, 72, 81, and 24. Remember, you're breaking that into tens and ones. Oh, can't really quite see that. All right. All right, so you're going to be breaking apart these numbers using that strategy of tens and ones. So 52, how many tens and ones are in 52? Remember that this number is a value of that 5 tens. 43, break apart 43 into tens and ones. 56, break apart 56. 72, 81, and 24. And then you're going to add that multiple of 10, okay? And then you can write your answer on the line. You can use the hundreds chart to help you. I need to see your work. I want to see you using that break apart strategy like I did up here. Because even though you might still be able to add and count on by tens in your head, when we get to bigger numbers where this number over here is not 0 anymore, you'll need to know how to use that break apart strategy. So this is a really great way to practice that. You can print this page and use and write on here and upload it to me, or you can write these number sentences on any piece of paper and show me how to break apart these numbers and add that multiple of 10. Okay, good job, friends. I can't wait to see your work.